Today is Wednesday, the 26th day of February 2025, about 3:08, 3:09 in the afternoon, and we've walked about 3/4 of the Frio Canyon track. If you watched my last video, that's what you saw. And in fact, on that video you saw this little bridge right here, me walk across it. We've come around the other way of the Frio Canyon and walked about 3/4 of it so far to get back to here. So we're going to walk this one and show it to you. But there's the bridge, here's the trees with all the gnarly limbs around, and I'm just going to walk it and show you. Like I said, I know this one's a very short trail. I think it's around a half a mile or something, so no big deal. But you can see it's got a lot more shade than what the Frio Canyon trail has. It's mostly sun, so way more wide open. So the shade is nice. Pretty warm today. But you see, it's mostly just these pine trees here going through here. So I'll show you a few things as we go, and then that'll be that. So we come along with all these prickly pear here, and look, as we come around, you see that one right there? It's Pac-Man trying to eat those other cactus right there in front of it. A little scary, huh? Hopefully you see that. Definitely looks like Pac-Man, and the trail goes on. Okay, so we've already finished this little trail. There wasn't much to it. It's even shorter than I thought. You see it says nature trail right here, so this is really the opening of it. In the beginning, we came from the opposite end, of course. Right over there is the main center to this place. When you come into this park for the gate and all that stuff, that's the building right there. So that's it for the nature trail. Hope you enjoyed this one.